when traditional industries meet disruptive intelligent revolution. XIAMEN FRAND Technology Co. Ltd. is redefining the boundaries of productivity with technology. This is not a future vision. It's the reality that Flanders is creating. You just need to be in the intelligent control center, hand in hand, and win the future. We have empowered smart factories for customers to escort customers' equipment. We have empowered smart factories for customers. Our smart factory solutions. We have empowered smart factories. 3C electronics. 12 fields such as hardware locks. We provide customers with the most satisfactory non-standard automated equipment is our pursuit. These exquisite products are all originated from our engineers. Through countless days and nights of persistence on equipment, we adhere to the business philosophy of and sincere service. We are responsible for every product of our clients. With the joint efforts of the Flanders, Fland has created one brilliant achievement after another. XIAMEN FRAND Technology Co. Ltd. is not only a constructor of intelligent manufacturing, and is also a leader in the industrial revolution. XIAMEN FRAND Technology Co. Ltd. Welcome to your inspection.